Spirit of light, guide me through the night. The stars are glowing in the blue, your presence shining through. Every whisper, every flame carries your holy name. I feel the peace inside the air. I know that you are there. Every wave, every sigh, you're the reason why. You calm the sea inside my soul. Your light makes me whole. You move in ways unseen, forever in between. Spirit of light, lead me home through every night I've known. Every shadow fades away as you show the way. Spirit of light, gentle and near, you whisper, do not fear. Forever I'll abide in your spirit of light. In your spirit of light. The ocean mirrors heaven's glow. Your grace begins to flow. Every breath a sacred sound. Your presence all around. You lift me higher every time. Your love so divine. Every step I find my peace. Your light will never cease. You calm the sea inside my soul. Your light makes me whole. You move in ways unseen, forever in between. Spirit of light, lead me home through every night I've known. Every shadow fades away as you show the way. Spirit of light, gentle and near, you whisper, do not fear. Forever I'll abide in your spirit of light. Shine through the dark of me, set my spirit free. Every tear you redefine, your radiance divine. Let your glow fill every space. Your mercy, endless grace. You're my morning rise, my spirit of Spirit of light. Your presence renews my soul. You make me whole. The wind is whispering your name. Your peace my heart proclaims. Through every breath, through every wave, your spirit gently saves. The night is calm, your light is near. I feel you drawing voice is soft and true, making all things new. Your presence fills me, your love revives my soul. Every whisper, every tide, you make me whole. Presence and renewal flowing endlessly. Every breath I take, you're moving me. Like water through my soul, you make the broken whole. Every fear begins to fade in love that you have made. You lift me with your light through every silent night. Forever I'll be new, restored in you. Restored in you. Restored in you. Restored in you. Your presence fills me, your love revives my soul. Every whisper, every tide, you make me whole. Presence and renewal flowing endlessly. Every breath I take, you're moving in me. Presence and renewal, you make me presence and renewal. Presence and I rest in your heart, where peace never departs. The waves are whispering your grace. Your light fills every space. I breathe you in, I let it go. Your mercy starts to flow. You hold me still, you calm my mind. Your love so undefined. Every breath I take tonight is resting in your light. You're my peace when shadows fall. The calm inside it all. You draw me close, you pull me near, till all I feel is clear. I rest in your heart, I'm home again. My soul at peace within. Every whisper, every sigh, you lift me to the sky. I rest in your heart where love remains. Forever free from pain. All I am, I'll start to rest in your heart. To rest in your heart. Your presence flows through quiet seas. It brings me to my knees. The night wind hums a holy song. I've been with you all along. No fear can touch the peace you give. In you I truly live. The stars above begin to glow. Your love's the light I know. You're my peace when shadows fall. The calm inside it all. You draw me close, you pull me near, till all I feel is clear. I rest in your heart, I'm home again. My soul at peace within. Every whisper, every sigh, you lift me to the sky. I rest in your heart where love remains. Forever free from pain. All I am, I'll start to rest in your heart. Let your spirit move like tide. Pull me to your side. Every thought, I let it go and let let your presence flow. In stillness I will find your grace, forever kind. My world will not depart, I rest in your heart. The storm is gone, the light remains. Your peace breaks every chain. Through every tear and endless night, you bring me into light. Your hand restores the things I've lost. You paid the highest cost. Now every breath I take is new. I'm trusting you. You lift me from the sea to where my soul is free. Your promise always true. I'm standing here with you. Rise of faith, lift me high, beyond the clouds, beyond the sky. Every fear begins to fade in the love you've made. Rise of faith, strong and pure. In your hands I'm secure. Forever I will stay in this rise of rise of faith. You speak in waves that reach my heart and pull my soul apart. In every whisper, calm and true, I'm born again in you. You're the fire that lights my way, through night and into day. I walk on water, if you call, I'll give you all. You lift me from the sea to where my soul is free. Your promise always true. I'm standing here with you. Rise of faith, lift me high, beyond the clouds, beyond the sky. Every fear begins to fade in the love you've made. Rise of faith, strong and pure. In your hands I'm secure. Forever I will stay in this rise of faith. truth is all you made. In every rising day, I lift my voice and say, you are the hope I see, alive inside of me. Forever I belong to this new The night is cold, your voice is near, your whisper all I hear. Every breath becomes a prayer, your presence fills the air. You take my hand to lift my soul, your mercy makes me whole. In stillness I remain, all for your name. You are my everything, the reason why I sing. Forever I will stay and walk your holy way. All for your name, all for your glory. Every heartbeat tells your story. Every sunrise, every flame, I live to praise your name. All for your name, my heart will bow in your grace here and now. Forever I proclaim. All for your When I am weak, you make me strong. Your love is my song. Every shadow fades away when I begin to pray. Your peace like rivers flowing wide. Your spirit is my guide. Forever I remain, all for your name. You are my everything, the reason why I sing. Forever I will stay and walk your holy way. All for your name, all for your glory. Every heartbeat tells your story. Every sunrise, every flame, I live to praise your name. All for your name, my heart will bow in your grace here and now. Forever I proclaim. All for your name. the praise that heaven brings every breath the same. All for your name, all for your name, all for your name. All for your all for your name, all for your name. Forever you reign. All for your name. Still in your grace, still in your grace. The world slows down, the waves align. Your peace is here divine. Every breath I take tonight, glow softly in your light. You lift my heart beyond the tide. Your mercy never hides. Every fear begins to fade. In love you gently made. You move within the breeze. Your calm brings me to leave. Your voice is sacred song where my soul belongs. Still in your grace I find my peace. My doubts all gently cease. Every shadow melts away as you light my way. Still in your grace, soft and near. Your spirit whispers clear. Forever I will stay. Still in your grace. The stars reflect your endless care. Your light is everywhere. Every moment shines anew. Because I walk with you, the tide repeats your holy song. I've known you all along. Every step, every space is filled with your embrace. You move within the breeze. Your calm brings me to ease. Your voice is sacred song where my soul belongs. Still in your grace I find my peace. My doubts all gently cease. Every shadow melts away as you light my way. Still in your grace, soft and near. Your spirit whispers clear. Forever I will stay. Your peace surrounds the world I see. You bring me to my knees. Every heartbeat, every flame whispers your holy name. You are my every breath, my life, my rest. Through every rise and fall, you're over all. Light in my soul, shining bright. You're my day and the night. Every dream, every cry, you lift me to the sky. Light in my soul, coming near. Your voice I always hear. With light in my soul. You touch the places deep within, where healing must begin. Every fear you've washed away with mercy's gentle sway. You guide me softly through the dark. You leave a sacred mark. Now all I see is grace unfold. You lie within my soul. You are my every breath, my life, my rest. Through every rise and fall, you're over all. Light in my soul, shining bright. You're my day and the night. Every dream, every cry, you lift me to the sky. Light in my soul, coming near. Your voice I always hear. You are the spark within my chest, my peace, my holy rest. Through every tide that rolls, you're saving souls. Let every heartbeat say your name. Forever you remain. Your glory makes me whole. Light in my soul. Light in my soul, shining bright. You're my day and the night. Every dream, every cry, you lift me to the sky. Light in my soul, coming near. Your voice I always hear. Forever with light in my soul. Forever you glow. With light in my soul. Light in my soul. Closer you, I'm coming through. In the stillness of the tide, your presence fills my life. Every heartbeat, every sound, I feel your peace surround. The world grows silent, soft and new. My heart belongs to you. Every step, every sigh, you're always by my side. You move within the air. Oh, there, your spirit calls me home. I'm never alone. Closer to you, I find my rest. In your arms I'm blessed. Every moment, every breath, you quiet all my debts. Closer to you, my heart will stay. You guide my every way. Forever I'll be true. Closer to you. You're the calm inside my storm. Your love keeps me warm. Every doubt begins to fade. Your mercy gently stays. You shine through shadows, soft and kind. Your peace renews my mind. In every tear I see you're healing me. You move within the air. I know that you are there. Your spirit calls me home. I'm never alone. Closer to you.